John Dalton's atomic theory was based on the premise that atoms of different elements could be distinguished by their weights. Dalton's atomic theory rests on four postulates. All matter consists of tiny particles, atoms are indestructible and unchangeable, elements are characterized by the masses of their atoms. When elements react with their atoms, they combine in simple whole number ratios. Dalton's law of multiple portions is a primary law of stoichiometry. It states that if two elements form multiple compounds, the ratios of the masses of the second element combined with a fixed mass of the first element will be in ratios of small whole numbers. John Dalton's law of definite proportions statement that every chemical compound contains fixed and constant proportions by weight of its constituent elements.
Democritus made the first model of the atom. It looked like this. It was just a ball with no protons, neutrons, or electrons in it. Coulomb's law of attraction states that opposites attract and similar forces repel.
Joseph John Thomson's cathode ray experiment led to the discovery of the electron. Robert A. Millikan's oil drop experiment was performed in 1909 and determined the size of the charge of an electron. Physicist Ernest Rutherford established the nuclear theory of an atom with his gold foil experiment.
Niels Bohr created his model of the atom in 1915 because it was a modification of the Rutherford model. People now call it the Rutherford-Bohr model. It looks like this. There's electrons on the outside and neutrons and protons on the inside.
Go. James Chadwick discovered the neutron.
French quantum physicist Louis de Broglie introduced his theory of particle wave duality in 1944. This suggested that particles can behave like waves, while waves can behave like particles. There you go.
Antoine Lavoisier came up with the law of conservation of mass, which means matter is neither created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Werner Heisenberg came up with the uncertainty principle, which states that position and momentum cannot act simultaneously.